In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an LLC in Texas in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. We're diving into the step-by-step process without any hassle, using a simple online tool that gets your business up and running swiftly. Plus, here's a great tip. If you click the link in the description or the pinned comment, you'll be directed to a special page that lets you start your LLC at zero cost. That's right, you only need to pay the mandatory state fees. No hidden charges. So stay tuned and let's jump right in. To get started, head over to taylorbrands.com. Once you're there, navigate to the Texas section and hit Get Started. Now comes the exciting part, naming your business. Type in the business name of your choice, but remember, there's no need to include LLC after it. Once you've keyed in your preferred name, simply click on Try this name to check availability. If your first choice isn't available, just revisit this step and tweak your name until you find one that fits and is accessible. When you've found the perfect name, click Next. Next, you'll encounter a few straightforward questions relevant to your business. This is where you specify your location and what you're aiming to achieve. Choose the options that best align with your current situation and needs, and hit Next after each selection. For the launch timeline, pick whether you want to kick things off ASAP, within a few weeks, months, or even longer. Now, let's talk about your industry. Enter the sector your business fits into. Let's say, for example, marketing. Specify whether you offer physical products, professional services, or both. There's also a question about hiring employees where you can say yes, no, or you're undecided. Define your annual revenue goal and hit Next. Moving on, enter where your business will operate from, using your specific postal code. Then, determine whether your service will be conducted online at a physical location or on the go. After this, you'll see a list of potential additional services. Choose any that apply to you, as I'll later show you how to obtain an EIN for free. Once you've made your selections, proceed to Next. If you've already taken actions for your business, check them off from the list. Otherwise, select none of the above. You'll also notice a free 2-week coaching program offered by Taylor Brands if you opt for their plan, but feel free to skip it if it doesn't suit you. At this point, you'll need to enter contact information, ensure it's accurate, as this is where you'll receive updates on your LL status. After that, you'll encounter optional upgrades like obtaining an EIN and appointing a registered agent. For the EIN, save money by opting to do it yourself. I'll provide a link to IRS.gov where you can apply free. Regarding the registered agent, you can either select Taylor Brands or appoint another of your choice. Lastly, decide if you'd like to opt for tools like domain names, expedited filing, or a formation kit. If you're in no rush, waiting 2 weeks for filing is free, while a 2-day expedited service costs $49. Also, consider an operating agreement for $29, but you can create one yourself if preferred. After verifying your information, you'll reach the checkout. Here, you'll only be paying the Texas state fees. If you've deactivated optional costs like expedited filing or bookkeeping trials, those won't appear in your final tally. Continue to payment and choose between PayPal or credit, then complete your transaction with your details. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to start an LLC in Texas swiftly and economically. Don't forget to click the link below to utilize the offer of forming your LLC for $0 and save more with the EIN application tip. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.